right, let's do this. 1, 2. Hey, what's up, guys? Today's gonna be totally different. So prepare yourselves for Foxita Fox. We got an awesome guest. Today we're doing cocktails. We're not gonna cook or anything like that.
Today's guest is our partner in crime.
Hi guys!
Foxita Fox, guys, she's our manager. She's also a wonderful friend and she can prepare some mean-ass cocktails. Not professional, just for fun.
Yeah, hello. Today, party people, you can follow me in my world of cocktails. Yeah. I have long time work in bars and disco clubs, but my experience is drinks don't must complicated. For a good drink, you can take what you have at home, and you must know 3 things. Yeah. What for alcohol I want, what for fruits I love, and ice. That's what you need. Yeah, and you have special things like herbs, other fruits, and you can mix it with juices, yeah, with chocolate, with milk. What you want, what you have in your fridge.
That's exactly what I did. So I just brought whatever I have and I'm gonna just improvise.
Improvise is the best.
Improvise.
And the first thing, what I want to show you, it's a beautiful shot. You can serve it. Yeah, we're beginning now, and the end part we show you later. Take limes, you roll the lime in the first, and you have more juices in the end. You cut it in the middle. Make with the juice other cocktails. Yeah, we need it.
Which I'm gonna do.
And then, yeah, it's a little bit cut it before. That's standard.
All right.
We need this, yeah? And then you take the empty limes, yeah, and do it in the freezer.
In the freezer.
Yes, that's the first thing what we do. Jetzt machst du irgendwas, ich bereite das
ich
vor.
mag was, irgendwas.
Ja, genau, mach irgendwas.
Well, I'm gonna do the classic Margarita because Loco here, he requested.
But I'm gonna rim the glass with the chili and the salt.
Sure.
Yeah, to spice it up, right? To tandoorize it. Don't criticize it. Tandoorize it. Yeah, yeah. What do you call the Lisa?
Chile de árbol.
Chili de árbol. Chili de árbol and salt.
3 chili, guys.
No, this is only 1.5. And what is the cocktail you're making?
Fruit Esplusion is the name. All fresh fruits that makes you summer feeling, make you happiness, yeah, makes a beach feeling, yeah. You
The
need-
volume?
Lighter.
Yeah.
The mint, yeah, you broken, and you
Slap it.
slap it, and the taste, the smells are so much better inside. You can take the alcohol what you want. Vodka also good, white rum, brown rum, yeah, tequila, what you want. My favorite is every time sparkling wine. Yeah, also good for the summer. Sparkling wine, you can make sparkling wine with water,
vodka?
sparkling water. You can make white rum with a little bit sparkling. What you want.
So where do you learn all the cocktail making?
Oh, I drink.
You drink and you learn.
I learn it. And the most time, my experience is. This is experience too, yeah? My experience is everybody likes fruits, yeah? Nobody likes the same fruits, but on the bar, when I ask my people, oh, what do you like for fruit? What do you like for alcohol? No problem, I have the fruit, I have the alcohol, and I mix you a special cocktail.
Yeah.
Simple, but very good. The tastes are so beautiful. You remember on the festival in the morning, all people are so feeling bad and tired, and you mix it a good drink with fresh foods, yeah.
Bekka always helped us out, you know, to liften our spirits during the festival's time with the fresh fruits as
with the
breakfast.
fresh fruits, and we needed the juice we have outside.
The juice.
Die Limo. Yeah?
We have our assistant.
The assistant. It's my Greek friend, Sophia.
Yes.
She's very Greek. You know what I mean?
She went to Greek, I think, now to get the... It's rolling, yes.
Okay.
Okay. I have to take my pants off.
We lose one thing for this drink, what I want to do. Now I make the other way, yeah? Take the mint and I cut the mango, fresh mango, and with the mint together. And show me here. It's not functionale. Oh yeah.
Yeah, shake it, baby.
Mango with fresh mint, yeah, inside, and you crush it. Oh, mix it, crush it. Blend it, yeah. My English is not so good, sorry, friends.
It's all good.
So, you remember, inside are the sparkling wine, and we have tonic water. You have to open it?
Yeah, I do.
my personal opener.
Yeah.
Please open my bottle.
It's getting spicy.
So, and now decorate it with what you want. I have strawberry there, and I need a straw.
Straw.
Oh, I like pink and yellow together. Let's taste it. Breakfast drink. You need more alcohol? You can make more alcohol.
No, honestly, I don't need more alcohol. But
What are you doing, Masters?
I'm brim the glass.
What is this?
This is the chili del guado with the sea salt and chili, just to get a bit of spiciness.
Normally margarita is salt, yeah?
Only
That's what I
salt.
think. Yeah?
Only salt. So this
Okay.
one
It's a
we're
spicy
gonna-
margarita. Yeah.
Normally they use triple sec, no? Triple
sec?
sec.
You mean sec?
Oh, no.
But sect is always good.
yeah, I knew it.
That. Bit of the lime juice.
That's what we have there?
Agaven, genau.
Juice, yeah?
We stay bio, right?
We stay bio, we stay
Stay
straight.
bio.
Shake it, baby.
Shake it, baby.
And then can I take ice in your glass?
Yes.
Oh, looks good. I love the sound.
Bitteschön, mademoiselle.
It's finished?
Huh?
No fruits, no something?
Classic margarita.
No, I think it's not classic. With chili.
Oh yeah, exactly. Tandoori rice. Don't criticize it.
Okay, cut.
Wow.
I mean, I wait. Oh, look at that hair. I waited, and they said it's spicy. Let me see.
What I'm gonna do
What do you wanna do?
is...
Don't do this at home, kids. This is an adult show.
Magnolia seed. Magnolia seed,
Magnolia seed?
from Sichuan Bana.
Oh, you baked the seeds.
I baked the seed.
Yeah.
Where is my mortar, little thingy?
My cocktail.
This guy.
No, the small one.
Oh, this guy.
No.
This guy,
yeah.
so much
Get
guys in the
out.
house. Come on. You lose your things? No problem.
Yeah, just like what you lose.
Improvised. You
Yes.
have so much things there. You need, I think, rum.
Room.
In German they say it's rum um die Uhr.
Oh shit.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It's around the clock. Around the clock.
By the way, so if you guys are thinking about, about this crazy outfit
clothing.
what we have, it's powered by Aloha.
Louis shop. You can find it not in the whole world, but in Germany. I love clothing. I love vintage clothing. I love crazy party clothing with glitter, with someone and colored and old stuff and new stuff. I go with my shop on festivals. Tonight I have one things from my shop and my friends. My good friends, they have the jacket from Cashews.
Yes. This is my uniform. It's the cashew,
the
the cashew uniform, right?
I think every people are more crazy when they take the normally clothes out and take funny clothes on, and you can be where you are, where you want you are.
In her shops, the collection is it's a second hand. You are giving a second life to all these clothes.
Yeah, a
But
second
it's
love.
crazy. It's the crazy collections. What you are having there? Where you are getting it from?
It's much time than I invested to find the beautiful clothing. And I go to the second-hand market, second-hand shops, and internet special clothing, and it's also funny, yeah. You can take it a beautiful thing that's 20 years old, and now all the people are
become a trend.
Yeah, it's a trend.
Yeah.
They are so happy you find this thing, that they want. That's only one you can buy it, not normally in the shops. Then things. Then t-shirts from 10 sizes, and everybody clothing the same shit. Important thing is on the festival, all the people want a special day, night, a special event, and the clothings make this more important.
Yeah.
And that's what I buy it, not clothing. I buy more go outside from yourself, from your normality. And your work, you'd never take this clothes.
Exactly.
Yeah, normally your friends say, "What is this? Yeah, you can never take this." Now you can.
Yeah.
Now you are other one.
To live your fantasy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can are where you want. Yeah, when you take clothings are so crazy. They make people. Yeah.
Yeah, they make a character.
They make in this moment your feeling.
Yeah.
And they come in my shop, and my shop it's sympathetic. Yeah, I have old floors on the bottom.
You have carpet around. It's very
lights,
comfortable. You feel like a home.
Yeah, and you look at on the dance floor from my shop, and other people come, and I have sometimes a little sparkling wine or shots. And other people are happy. They come and they take the clothes and make photos and go. Then don't buy this every time. Yeah, but they're so happy too.
Yeah. I mean, they live their fantasy and take a picture, put it on Instagram, off they go.
And I think the people love them. Every year come the peoples again and say, "Look at me. You know this shirt? I buy it last year on this festival. You know it again?" And I say, "Yeah, man." And today I buy it more. I bring my friends, and that's why they love it, and that's make me happy. Yeah, I sell clothing, and the money it's important too, but not in the front.
Yeah.
And the thing behind is the second-hand mode. Yeah, it's normally we live in einer Gesellschaft. Yeah.
In a society.
Yeah, and all the people live so fast, and you buy it and you make it in the trash. Yeah, but it's okay. Why you make it in the trash?
Exactly.
Yeah, that's what I think. I take something you want to do in the trash, but I take it, and somebody loved this. This is what I searching so long. Yeah, and this is the crazy shit behind. Yeah.
It's the consume mentality.
Yeah. This is what I say. Yeah, it's not okay.
It's not okay.
No, it's not good. We have all what we want, but we want more. Why?
Exactly.
Yeah. Okay. We have the melon in the drinks, and the rest, you see it, it's empty? No, it's not. You take the spoon and you scratch it, the rest, and you have so much saft and juice, and you need vodka, yeah? You make simply vodka melon, yeah? A little bit vodka inside. Yeah, a little bit. And then, where's the ice? And a little bit from the mint, only the leaves, yeah? Small, so small you can, inside. And then, straws, no problemo. You want to taste from my vodka melon? Yes, of course. Now we do. She want more, you see it? Yeah. You want to taste too?